Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Daisy. Have you recently purchased a Cricut machine or other cutter and are eager to start customizing with vinyl but aren't sure about the differences between adhesive vinyl and iron-on vinyl or how they are used? Don't worry. In this detailed guide on adhesive vinyl versus iron-on vinyl, we'll explore the distinctive characteristics of each material and discover what you can customize with each of them. And soon you'll be ready to create unique projects with confidence. We're going to start talking about the adhesive vinyl. The adhesive vinyl has an adhesive backing that adheres to surfaces when pressure is applied. It comes in a variety of finishes including matte, glossy, and specialty options like glitter and with pattern designs. Additionally, depending on your needs, you can opt for the permanent or removable adhesive vinyl. Adhesive vinyl has a colored layer on one side and an adhesive backing on the other. You will need transfer tape to transfer the vinyl design. Transfer tape comes in rolls or in 12 by 12 pages. The one that I'm going to be using this time comes in the Go-To-Craft accessory bundle for cutting machines. They were very kind to send this kit to me. The kit includes 20 pieces of permanent adhesive vinyl, 8 pieces of glitter iron-on vinyl, 12 pieces of sticker paper, 10 pieces of stencil, 4 pieces of transfer tape, 7 weeding tools, vinyl scraper, 2 cutting mats, and 24 color pens. It's a complete set perfect for beginners. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. I'm going to go ahead and start working with the design in the Cricut Design Space program. But before, I would like to invite you to please support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. I'm going to start working with the design that I'm going to cut with the adhesive vinyl. I have 3 designs ready over here, but I'm going to show you really quick how to upload your design. Click on the upload icon, upload image, browse, open the folder where you have your design, select it, and open it. This one can be on SVG or PNG format. This one is an SVG file. Continue, apply and continue. Select the one that says single layer. Continue. You can name it if you wish. Then click on upload and it's on your canvas. This is a large design because it's been saved on high resolution. Resize it, and here is the design. This one is on a single layer to cut on one color. But if you want to use this design and customize with 2 or more colors, you can do so. I'm going to show you really quick how to make it, just like I did with this one above. I'm going to show you how to remove parts of the design and how to make layers with the same design. Select it, click on Couture, and click on the areas that you wish to eliminate. Then close the window and ready. Now to create several layers, select it and duplicate it. Place one on top of the other one. Then click on Couture again and click on Hide All Coutures. Then manually select the areas that you wish to have on your layer. I'm going to select these areas. Then I'm going to close the window and change the color. Now we already have a colored layer. Now we're going to select the main layer, go to Couture, then select the areas that we wish to eliminate so they don't duplicate. Select the colored layer and align it on the design. Now this design is ready to be cut in 2 layers. I'm going to go ahead and start with the cut. I'm going to cut this one to customize a ceramic cup, this one to customize a ceramic tile, and this other one to customize a glass frame. Now, before cutting, we need to resize the design according to the item that we're going to customize. For example, this bacon design is to customize a 6x6 ceramic tile. Now, when ready, click on Start. As you can see, it placed the designs by color. So we have two colored mats. First, we're going to cut the black one and then the purple one. Actually, I'm not going to cut a purple vinyl, it's going to be white. Now here, we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. In this case, we're going to select vinyl. And let's go to the machine. Load the adhesive vinyl onto your cutting mat with the colored side facing up. You can use any model of Cricut machine. I am using my Cricut Maker machine. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial below in the description. These designs are already being cut. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the other layer. When you finish cutting, we're going to width the designs. To width the designs, I'm going to be using the tools that came with the Go to Craft kit. The designs are ready to be transferred to the items. To transfer these designs, we're going to be using transfer tape. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using the transfer tape that came with the Go to Craft kit. I'm going to start customizing this ceramic cup. For this customization, I used permanent vinyl. As you can see, it's very easy to customize items using adhesive vinyl. Now I'm going to customize this 6x6 inches ceramic tile. Adhesive vinyl is versatile and can be used to personalize a wide range of items, including beverage containers such as mugs, tumblers, cups, electronics, home decor, signs, card decals, and more. Simple but very cute. You can use it as home decor. Now I'm going to customize this glass frame. To make this video short, I already placed the first layer. Now I'm going to place the second layer. This frame I bought it at the dollar store for $1 long time ago. And look how beautiful it looks now. We can transform simple things into beautiful decorations. These are only a few examples of the items that you can customize using adhesive vinyl. Now we're going to talk about the iron-on vinyl. Iron-on vinyl, also called HTV, heat transfer vinyl, requires heat to adhere to a surface, usually fabric or other materials that can withstand the heat of an iron or heat press. Iron-on vinyl usually has a heat-activated adhesive on one side and a smooth, colored surface on the other. Iron-on vinyl comes in a variety of finishes, including matte and glossy options, solid and patterned colors, holographic, 3D puff, glitter, and more. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. First, we're going to work with the design. I already have the design here on the Cricut canvas. I have 3 designs, but I'm going to use only one. If you like any of these designs, I invite you to visit my blog where you can download them for free. I'm going to link them in the video description below. On the next step, we're going to adjust the size according to the item that we're going to customize. I'm going to use this design to customize a small t-shirt. So this design is going to be 10 inches wide. It can be from 7 to 10 inches wide for a small size t-shirt. Once the design is ready, click on Make It. Something important over here. Every time we're cutting iron-on vinyl, we have to mirror the image. Remember to check mirror every time you are cutting iron-on vinyl. Continue. And here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. If we are cutting regular iron-on vinyl, we're going to check on iron-on, everyday iron-on. If we are cutting glitter iron-on, we're going to select glitter iron-on. If you don't see your material, go to Browse All Materials, type the name of the material, or scroll down to find the material that you're looking for. If you wish to have it on your favorite, click on the flag. If the flag looks green, it means it's already on your favorite. Close the window and let's go to the machine. Load the iron-on vinyl onto your cutting mat with the shiny side facing down, matte side facing up. And this applies to all iron-on vinyl. You can use the green mat or the purple cutting mat. To cut the iron-on vinyl, I am using my Cricut Maker machine. Remember to check the description below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. Once it finished cutting, I'm going to go ahead and wet the material. The design is ready to be transferred to the item. I'm going to be customizing a small t-shirt. Press the t-shirt for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Then clean the surface using a lint roller. Align the designs 2 or 3 inches below the collar. Place a piece of butcher paper on top and press it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. You can use a home iron or a heat press to press the design. I'm going to be using my HTV round auto press machine. I'm going to press the design at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. When finished, remove the transparent film and ready. This is a warm peel. Depending on the brand, some of them are warm peel and some others are cold peel. Read the instructions before applying the vinyl. This is customizing with one layer. Now, if you wish to customize with 2 layers, you're going to press one layer before and then the other one at the same temperature and time. For example, here I am using regular vinyl at the bottom and glitter iron-on vinyl on the top. We can layer iron-on vinyl on top of regular vinyl, but we cannot layer regular iron-on vinyl on top of glitter vinyl. It will not stick. If you wish to customize with 2 or 3 layers, it's recommended that you use regular iron-on vinyl. The personalization with 2 layers is ready. It's beautiful. I love this combination. Depending on your needs, iron-on vinyl comes in solid or patterned colors, holographic, 3D puff, glitter, and more. Iron-on vinyl is ideal for personalizing garments such as t-shirts, bags, hats, and baby onesies. Also ideal for fabric home decor projects such as pillows, kitchen towels, blankets, and canvas wall art. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial about the characteristics and uses of adhesive and iron-on vinyl. If you like this video, I invite you to please support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and until next time.